Hey friends, here's a quick half-up tutorial for you curly girls. You're going to start by taking a few of your curl clumps together in a section on one side behind your fringe if you want to leave that out, and you're going to just make a little ponytail right at the top. Next, you're going to take a few more clumps of curls right behind the ones that you just took, and you're going to gather those together with the ponytail you just created, and you're going to create another ponytail just a couple inches behind the first one you made. Once you've banded that section together, you're going to take the section that's in between the two ponytail elastics and you're going to just lightly pinch and pull to separate out and create some volume in between your two hair elastics. Then we're going to repeat the same thing in one more section. So again, we're going to scoop up just a few more curl clumps together. We're going to gather those about an inch or two behind our second elastic, and we're going to hook another elastic around, creating our third and final ponytail. Once we do that, we're going to again take the section in between the two ponytails and just lightly pinch and pull. As you can see, I'm just with my fingertips pulling and separating to create almost a bubble effect in between the two ponytails. Once that's done, we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side of the head. We'll just speed this up for you so you don't have to watch all of that. Again, we're just creating our three ponytails, one behind the other, pinching and pulling out the sections in between as we go. Okay, and once you have created your third ponytail, you can pinch and pull out that last section. And there we are. There is our finished look. Hope you like this one, and we'll see you on the next one.